Good afternoon, Mr. General Evaluator, fellow members, and guests. I'm going to evaluate Narinder's speech, and I'll discuss the purpose of her speech and maybe give some suggestion for growth, which are very little. Anyway, I'm just go by this book because this is second time doing evaluator. I'm still learning. What strong point does speaker already have? I always enjoy her conversation. She's really focused. She doesn't move around too much, which gives me a question whether we do need to move around too much, because she always has a big smile and really engaged the audience. And the purpose of her speech today is icebreaker. She's talked about herself and how well the audience get to know the speaker. She gives us one focus, which is good, because we all focus on the one thing she's going to tell us, and so we all kind of listen into it. I would like to know her more. Maybe she should give us more speech in the future. But just for one focus, I really enjoy tremendously. And did the speech reflect adequate preparation? I think so, because she's talking about herself. Who knows better about herself than herself? Did the speaker talk clearly and audibly? I think that's her strong point. I always enjoy her very much because she really takes time and make it very clear. I didn't even know English wasn't her first language. I thought, she was born and raised here, and it's the first time she mentioned she came here when she was 12 years old. And I really can relate to it. I came here when I was 22 years old. Didn't know much English, but I studied English in textbook and then went to school, but I had to step into graduate school when I was 22. So that's a different experience, but I could relate it to her. Did the speech have a definite opening? Yes, she did. She said one focus, so she focused us on that one topic. And body, she talked about how she grew from that point on, and the conclusion, and the thing I remember vividly, she showed gratitude towards Mrs. Lopez. And I have a few people in my life I like to share gratitude. And then she talked about people are nice. I agree with her. That's one thing to keep us going. We're the foreigner. And that's one thing we always believe that. And she didn't use notes. She's really good, which I really admire her tremendously. I need a note. And how could speaker have done differently? Yeah, pictures might be helpful. What did you like about the presentation? Again, I think she has that one highlight. She get all us focus on that, so we understand her very well just in that one topic, one highlight. Thank you.